Welcome to Vmaker AI. In this video, we're going to have a look at how you can turn your long videos into short, viral clips in just a few simple steps. To get started, simply log in using your credentials or sign in quickly with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll land on your Vmaker AI dashboard. This is your central hub for everything. Right here on the dashboard, you'll see the option to paste your video link directly from platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, StreamYard, Google Drive, and more. Or, if you have a video saved on your device, you can simply upload it directly. Go ahead and paste your video link or upload your video to get started. Once your video is in, it will start processing. And while it's processing, go ahead and select the orientation for your output clips. Now, the AI gets to work. Think of it as an AI video editor that understands your entire video. It reads the transcript, follows the conversation, and picks out the most engaging moments and key insights for short clips. And just like that, your shorts are ready. You can see the number of shorts that have been generated right here. Keep in mind, the number of shorts depends on the duration of your original video. You can sort these shorts by score, duration, or your preferred platform, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Then you select a clip. You'll see the title of the short and its score. The score tells you how strong your clip is. It's calculated based on key factors like the hook, the story context, emotional moments, facts, and the ending. The higher the score, the more viral potential your clip has. From here, you also have the option to animate your captions, dub the short, or auto-insert B-roll, all with just a click. Below the clip, you'll also notice platform symbols. These indicate the platforms on which this short is most likely to go viral. Right below that, you'll find the full transcript of the clip. Now you're ready to take action. You can directly publish it to your socials, or, if you want to take it further, dive into the editor where you can add B-rolls, images, background audio, change the subtitle style, or add new elements and text to your video. When you're happy with everything, simply hit the export button and download it or publish it directly to your preferred platform. And that's it. That's how easy it is to turn your long videos into viral shorts using Vmaker AI. Give it a try today.